Whoops. Oh, big whoops.
Any ideas? Just one. Hit it. Good evening, all you gentlemen, mobsters, creeps, and crooks. Men in tights come after you, and still you're off the hook. For those who scare and terrorize, it's the dawn of a brand new day. You scum can simply call us the one and only birds of prey. Green Lantern has his special range. Pretty strong, that little thing. Blue Beetle's deeds are really swell. But who will bring him out of his shell? Flash's bows, they finish last. Too bad sometimes he's just too fast. While all the boys can always save the day, no one does it better than the birds of prey. While all the boys can always save the day, no one does it better. No one does it better than the birds of prey. Green Arrow has heroic traits. That is when he's shooting straight. Hey, I'm just saying. Aquaman's always courageous. His little fish less outrageous. Plastic Man can expand, becomes putty in our hands. While all the boys can keep you punks at bay, no one does it better than the birds of prey. While all the boys can always save the day, no one does it better. No one does it better than the birds of prey. Hey! Batman throws his batarang. What a weapon, what a bang. Check out that utility belt. Sure can make a girl's heart melt. He's always right there for the save. I'd like to see his secret cave. While Batman does things in his special